Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Welcome to another episode in YaadMentz Tries.
Yep.
Before we get into what we're doing today, please remember to hit that subscribe button. If you are new here, welcome to our channel. I'm Bevy and this is Sean and this is my husband. Good looking. Anyway, we also want you guys to follow us on Instagram at YaadMentz and like our page on Facebook at YaadMentz.
Yeah.
And
we hope you do enjoy our content. Today we are doing a snacky. Alright, so it's holiday, what do they call it? Like cheese sticks?
Yeah, it's called Italian sticks. They have what flavor they have? The regular cheese. And then they have chili. Sweet chili. Yeah.
I know they have Italian. I think they have another one, but we only see the Italian.
They have a spicy one. I think it's called picante, something like that.
Okay.
But we haven't seen that one on the market just yet.
Yeah.
But we're gonna try this one today.
We normally buy like the chili one from time to time.
Sweet
chili. We normally buy the sweet chili, but we'll always like try new stuff. So this is new, and we want to try it and tell you guys what we think.
Yes.
It's holiday snacks are relatively nice.
Yeah, they're relatively nice. It says that it's guaranteed fresh. It has 190 calories in case you're,
I like how the package feel.
Yeah.
It feels firm on it.
I feel full.
Yeah,
Sometimes you get some
when you open it just be an ear night. So hopefully it's nice. Let me do the honors.
Nobody does it everywhere, please.
Smell the aroma. What it smell like? It smell like
Smell like oregano or something. I don't know, like basil or one of them.
Right.
They look
herb.
It
smell like herb.
That's what
herby.
Like.
The color is herby too. I mean, it have the cheese, the color, and you can see like
dots. Like the little tiny leaves. It almost look like that.
The leaves in it.
Yeah. Wait for me, I don't.
I am waiting. Cheers. The smell is strong.
Yeah. I taste cheese, I taste tomato. I like it. Crunchy and fresh. I favorite holiday snacks because the stuff is always crunchy. I don't think I've ever had a holiday snack and it wasn't fresh for real. Honestly.
Yes, that's true.
It's always crunchy and fresh.
You know what it reminds me of?
Pizza.
Yeah. It does remind me of pizza. Like for real.
Because tomato, Italian pizza is like
cheese,
Italian thing.
Right.
Tomato, cheese, and I think it's basil they put on.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Basil leaves. Trust me, it definitely tastes like pizza, like for real. It doesn't remind me of pizza. Like that's a happy dance?
Yeah.
Do it again.
People can dance. If you don't know about the dance lessons, just let us know in the comments.
That's a happy dance. That's funny. Give me some.
No.
Hold on, let me get to it. Like it definitely does taste like pizza.
It tastes so good.
Yeah. I think I'll definitely start buying this one instead of the sweet chili.
No, the sweet chili is still nice. I think I still love the sweet chili.
That's good. So what would you give holiday Italian? I'd say definitely gives it a thumbs up. I myself definitely give it a thumbs up. We definitely do recommend the holiday Italian sticks.
I love it.
If you're feel for pizza but you can't really buy the pizza right now, this is definitely something that you can.
And speaking of pizza, we have a review. This is Caesar's Pizza. Please check that out. We will link it in the iCards. So check out that. And also remember to check out our other videos too, guys. We have so many other videos.
Yeah.
If you're watching for the first time, you have a whole lot of catching up to do. We have a whole lot of content.
What I like about the holiday snacks as well, the price is not so expensive. But this package is basically under $60. You can get this for. Well, it depends on where you buy, but yeah, their prices are really reasonable and it's affordable as well. So I definitely recommend it and definitely recommend trying it. Again, it does taste like pizza. It is really nice. It's really nice. Why are you not sharing?
You're eating enough? No, you're eating enough.
No, like for real though.
You're eating enough. Anyway, guys.
That's good.
Thank you so much for watching this week's episode of
YaadMentz Tries. Yeah.
We hope that you guys enjoyed this week's video, and of course, if you have any suggestions, if you see anything new on the market, have up on Instagram, comment down below. And we will search it out, we will find it, and we will try it and let you guys know what it's like if you should try it. Also, remember to follow us on Instagram,
Facebook.
Remember to like this video, like it, give us a thumbs up if you liked it, and share it with your friends.
And did you mention the notification bell?
You guys
hit the notification bell so you can get updates when we drop our new content.
Yes.
Give it the happy dance again. Guys, thank you for viewing. We hope you do enjoy this video.
Yes.
Stay tuned for the next YaadMentz video. Bye guys.